a few of you wanted to know how did I get the measurements for my juice box, and I'm going to show you how. So basically I just used an 8.5 by 11 sheet. I placed the juice box at the very end and marked the top of the box. Once you're done, go ahead and use your ruler, and then from there go ahead and cut your sheet. Right here you can see me measuring the top of the paper to the bottom, which is 4 inches in height. Now I am just wrapping the paper around the box. Try to make sure it's as snug as possible. Once the paper is wrapped around the box, go ahead and crease each side. Okay, perfect. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is measure the distance between each crease. So for the side of the box, I got 1.5 inches in width, and in front and back it is going to be 2 inches. So I'm using Photoshop, plugged in the dimensions. So the actual width for the entire sheet was about 8.5 inches and then about 4 inches in height. Now I'm going to use my guidelines to mark my creases. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions, just let me know.